Mid-Century Modernaires, February 26th. We are 2 days from closing. We close at noon on Friday the 28th, which is 1 week past when we originally were going to do it, so we're only, see, that's a great way to phrase it. We're only a week behind schedule. But it's cleaning up very nicely. I think I promised you in my last video if I would do one more or be the final one, but I think it'll have enough change once it's cleaned up and the last couple things are put in that it's worthwhile to kind of do a quick post now. It is almost midnight, so that's the 27th. Nope. See, this is what happens when you do this project. You have no idea what day it is. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday, the 28th, so today's the 27th. There we go, figured that out. Anyway, gonna give you the walkthrough now on the other way, and I think y'all will like what it's looking like. All right, my battery's low because I'm on this thing all the time. Here we are again. I think I showed this to you all last time, what this ended up looking like, but the doors in, we're getting this all cleaned up over here. Fireplace was rehabbed enough to look like it was supposed to look. Again, I just love how this thing projects light. I think it's killer. Love this angle, and I apologize the way the iPhone works. I have the iPhone SE because I appreciate how small it is and compact and usable it is, so it doesn't have the most amazing things on it. It looks like I just lost my flashlight because low battery. Anyway, here's the kitchen. I'm in love with it. Got the cork floors, the matte green from IKEA cabinets, big chill appliances, microwave space down there. But the color's just so vivid. That light will go up in the main kitchen space. Retro looking faucet that's there. But super happy with how this is looking. This will be the pantry corner. And again, that's kind of the look of the Cliff May. Got 10% battery, so I'm gonna pick it up on this one. Bathroom's almost done. Don't have a light in there again, apologize, so you'll get a better one later. This bedroom's always just silly. Look, pitch blackness. This middle room made the mechanical room. Stoked with how that turned out as well. Second bedroom, that's the light that is lit up from the client that they gave to us, which I love as well. This is about done. That door is going to be stationary. This one will be the slider, and this will be the massive walk-in master closet. Pink bath, again, I'm just overly thrilled at how amazing this looks. Turned out really great. And then in here, again, amazing pitch blackness. That's the door to the courtyard. Master is in here, and a couple left of the materials. So anyway, that's your walkthrough. Again, I apologize that this one's kind of rushed because I'm out of battery. But this time of year, things are crazy. The real estate side is just going bonkers. So the house got under contract tonight with 4 offers. So it's cruising. Make sure you have a good advocate out there for you on the real estate team as it's cranking. And as you always know, if you're looking for mid-century or have one to list, I am your person. All right, thanks for Mid-Century Modernaires. I'll do one more check-in when this is all said and done. Have a good night.